My name is Bert Leufkens. I'm from the University of Utrecht in the Netherlands. I'm a professor in pharmaceutical policy and regulation, and I'm one of the members of this SaIud group looking for the improvement of clinical trials in low and middle resource settings. I think it's a wonderful occasion to be here in this community with all the experts also from South America, to have all these experiences on the floor, but also have these interactions, because a lot of discussions on clinical trials are from the scientist to the community, from the investigator to the community. And what this conference brings to discussion is also to have a better engagement with the local communities, also to understand their problems and hesitations, but also to have a broader international view on barriers, on hurdles, but also solutions for the future. And this is not an issue you can solve as an individual or as a single country or a single institute. It is something that is very much also on collaboration, trust building, and also bringing all the experts from the world into a debate, into a dialogue to find the right solutions for the communities in the future. Because clinical trials are essential for finding evidence on the efficacy of certain interventions, medicines, but also technologies, about the safety, but also to understand when the product is, for instance, available, how can we prove the usage of that product. Many people think that clinical trials are only there to bring a product to the market, but that's only the beginning. It's very important when a product is in the clinic and physicians are using the product, pharmacists are delivering, patients have questions, and also the nurses, that these questions are also addressed in a formal scientific settings. That can be a randomized clinical trial, that can be other types of trials, and bringing these to the communities that are also in need of these questions, at least in need of answers to these questions, is very important.